The Teclast P50 AI Tablet presents itself as a compelling mid-range Android device boasting a modern and sleek glass fiber body that is both lightweight and surprisingly durable. Its 11-inch display is the centerpiece, featuring a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate that makes scrolling through menus, browsing the web, and playing compatible games a noticeably fluid experience. This visual appeal is further enhanced by its 10-bit color display, which promises a wider color gamut for more vibrant and true-to-life images, making it suitable for media consumption and casual content viewing. The overall build quality and screen technology position the Teclast P50 as a serious contender for users seeking a large-screen tablet without a premium price tag, offering a solid first impression right out of the box. Under the hood, the Teclast P50 is equipped with a hardware configuration that aims to deliver robust performance for everyday tasks. The combination of 6 GB of physical RAM, supplemented by an additional 10 GB of virtual RAM, ensures that multitasking between applications is handled with relative ease, minimizing lag and frustrating app reloads. The generous 128 GB of internal storage provides ample space for a significant library of apps, games, photos, and documents. A key selling point is its forward-looking operating system, as it ships with the latest Android 15, offering access to the newest software features, enhancements, and security protocols from the outset, which is a rarity for tablets in this segment and provides a degree of future-proofing. Battery life is a critical factor for any portable device, and the Teclast P50 addresses this with a substantial 7,000 mAh battery. This capacity is designed to easily power through a full day of mixed usage, including video streaming, web browsing, and light gaming on a single charge, reducing anxiety about constantly needing a power outlet. The tablet's connectivity is comprehensive, featuring standard Wi-Fi and the highly useful USB OTG functionality. This USB on-the-go support significantly expands the tablet's versatility, allowing users to connect a wide array of peripherals, such as flash drives, external hard drives, controllers, and even mice, effectively transforming it into a more flexible productivity or entertainment hub. On the positive side, the Teclast P50 AI Tablet delivers exceptional value for its feature set. The high refresh rate 10-bit display is a standout feature for the price, providing a visually immersive experience. The large battery ensures excellent longevity, and the inclusion of Android 15 is a significant advantage. The generous RAM and storage configuration, coupled with useful features like USB OTG and a capable dual camera system for a tablet, make it a versatile device for entertainment, light work, and everyday use. However, there are some negative points to consider. The AI-capable branding is vague and may not translate to tangible, unique features that significantly differentiate it from other tablets. While the cameras are adequate for video calls and occasional snaps, they will not compete with the quality found on more expensive tablets or smartphones. Performance, though generally smooth for daily tasks, may still show limitations with intensive, high-end gaming or demanding professional applications. As with many value-oriented brands, long-term software support and the frequency of future Android updates beyond version 15 remain a potential concern.